This is the difference between a reputable or bought power tool from the internet. Now the box is clean, clips working fine, and inside inlay tray, everything packaged, beautiful and new. This, however, excuse me from veering off track there, is what I get when I order a Jigsaw package from Alan Watkins Tool Store Limited. The box is obviously been used. There are scratches, stickers from whatever was in there previously removed. It was very difficult to open. As it was obviously second hand, and you see the force in my thumb to open it. Oh, nothing. That's it. When I emailed them, the customer service said, well, the boxes do scratch easily, but they do when they've previously been owned by somebody else. No packaging on the Jigsaw itself, so it may have been damaged, but because I'm desperate for it, I'll have to use it. This is the worst tool and customer service that I've ever had in 35 years. Please do yourself a favour and do not use Alan Watkins.